Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's talk about something important today, something that doesn't always make the headlines but should definitely make the headlines today. So recently, Nigeria's Debt Management Office DMO released its latest report, and while some people were busy scrolling past the news, something truly remarkable stood out for me. Ebonyi State made the top 5 list of Nigerian states that significantly reduced their local debts in the past 1 year. That's not just impressive, it's a powerful statement of responsible leadership if you ask me. Among the states mentioned were Jigawa, Ondo, Kebbi, Kaduna, and of course, Ebonyi State recorded one of the highest reductions in local debt with a decrease of 76.21%. Yes, you heard that right. 76.21% dropped. Now, let's unpack what that really means. Reducing local debts is not just an accounting statistics. It's a major sign of progress. It means the state is managing its finances well. It means that money that would have gone into servicing interest and repaying loans is now being redirected into the things that really matter. Infrastructure, healthcare, education, clean water, and overall development. In simpler terms, when a state lowers its debts, it creates breathing space, financial freedom to invest in the people. And this is where Governor Francis Nwifuru comes in. Since he assumed office nearly 2 years ago, Nwifuru has proven to be a quiet force of transformation. He has not borrowed a single naira to run the government. Yes, not one. In a time when many state governors are heavily dependent on loans to stay afloat, Ebonyi State has chosen a different path. A more disciplined, methodical, and sustainable one. This should honestly spark a conversation, right? How many Nigerian governors can run a state without resorting to borrowing? Very few, if you ask me. While many states are increasing their debt burdens, Ebonyi is going against the tide, and that's worth celebrating. Governor Nwifuru's administration is focused on cutting unnecessary costs in government while channeling resources into projects that leave lasting impact. We are talking about roads, schools, public health projects, not flashy ceremonies or temporary solutions. Some critics have been quick to say, oh, what has he even done so far? Or we don't hear much about his performance as a governor in Ebonyi State. But here is the truth. Not all good leadership is loud, right? Some of the best leaders are the ones working diligently behind the scenes, making quiet but very powerful decisions that reshape the future of the people. This report from the DMO is not just a random statistic. It's evidence that the governor is not just talking about good governance, he's actively practicing it. And if you ask me, this should be a wake-up call for everyone, both within and outside Ebonyi State. We need to start celebrating leaders who are genuinely working for the people, not just those who make the loudest headlines. It's easy to ignore progress when it doesn't come with drama, but this reducing debts while delivering results is the kind of governance Nigeria desperately needs. So, to Governor Francis Nwifuru, we say kudos, sir. Thank you for showing that it's possible to lead with focus, discipline, and vision. While others borrow endlessly, Ebonyi State is proving that true leadership is about making tough, smart choices and doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Let's keep the conversation going. What do you think about this approach to governance? Do you believe more states should adopt this? Leave a comment, like, and share. And let's give credit where credit is due. See you in the next video.